Choppers, good morning. Hope everybody is well. It's a beautiful morning. It's a Friday morning. Man, what are we doing today? As you know, on Wednesday we had a FOMC by the Feds, and yeah, we took advantage of some positions there. Gold is now trading at $3,650 an ounce there. We want to see if we can reload some positions and at least go to the upside. It's something that we're looking for. German 40 is also above our VWAP level. We want to see again if we can go to the upside. Happy Friday, choppers. Happy Friday. Let's see what we can make out of this market, man. I think it's going to be a very interesting day. I'm looking to buy gold, but I might be wrong, but it's something that I'm clearly looking at, and I want to take advantage of that. Before anything, I think we're going to start with the register and also start with our prayer. Once again, happy Friday, choppers. What's going on, choppers? We're gonna mark the register just now. Miss Gama is gonna join us shortly. She's on standby. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's webinar. It was a free webinar on Zoom. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed. What are you guys trading this morning? Let me know there in the comment section. Can we like the stream, please, guys? Can we please like the stream? We're going to start with prayer. We're starting with prayer. Let's try to fire in all cylinders, man, today. I don't have my glasses on. I'll have to go fetch them. Let's start with prayer, family. Let's start with prayer. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, thank you so much for again giving us this opportunity to express ourselves through this craft, through this skill. We don't take it for granted, and we don't want to come across as people with superpowers, but we want to come forth as people that understand scripture, that you say that if we put our mind and our hearts into something and we practice, Lord, it shall come to manifestation, and this is what we are trying to do. We are praying that you comfort us throughout the day and let us make decisive moves on this market and find favor in your eyes in the name of Jesus. Lord, we are in this market or on this market because we want to feed our families. Nothing more, nothing else. Grant us that favor, Lord, as we apply the skill, apply the knowledge, and apply the training that we've had, Lord. We are asking this in all the name of Jesus Christ. May the chopper say amen and amen. Right, let's mark the register, family. As I said, Miss Gamma is on standby. She's gonna join us shortly. But yeah, until then, it's me, you, and the AI. Did we have the AI on Sunday, on Wednesday, FOMC? We streamed from 8 p.m. until 9:30. Yeah, man, we are hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. Right, let's mark the register. Samuel is in the house. Good morning, everybody. Don't forget to like. Yeah, indeed, my friend. Please, let's ensure that we like. Sis Nantlantle is also in the house. Sibatle is saying, Mr. President, we are here. Zoro is also in the house. Olani is also in the house. Betuel is always saying good morning. Stivavo is saying good morning, Mr. President. Anderson is saying school bang ring. Yeah, indeed, my friend. We've got Kamohelo also in the house. Wise Man, Dini Zulu say good morning, Mr. President, and the choppers. Seleka is also in the house. Mario is also in the house. Anderson is your consistency is to be respected. Thank you so much, my friend. We are trying our best. Mario is saying German or nothing else. I agree with you, my friend. Tabo is also in the house. Yeah, somebody saying GBP USD sales went nicely. Yeah, we're gonna have a look at it now. And he said took profit on Euro British pound. I'm glad and I'm happy for you, my friend. Yeah, let's start with work. Let's start with work. This is what I'm looking at. And I know you're going to say, you're going to come for me, Mr. President. We are bearish on gold currently on 15 minutes, trading at $3,650 an ounce. Listen, I want to make a counter here. This is what I'm looking at. If I get a print like this, I'm all going in for a buy. Close above VWAP, I'm going all in. This might be a trap to the downside. That's what I'm looking at. So anything that will close above my VWAP level, I'm going to the upside. All right. Let me know if you're going to join me on this one. I will see how I place my stops on this. Aim for 1:2, somewhere there. And go nicely to the upside. So that's my take on gold. You see what I said last time? Everything is just German. Everything is just German. Right, let's have a look at WTI, light crude oil. We're still having our orders here. I don't know if you guys were filled here. So we're looking at $62.63 to reload again. Remember, we bought it here. We bought it here to the upside. Our TP was around this area here. And again, we bought it again here. So this level is a crucial level, right? I don't know what's going on with these pings lately. We are seeing these pings here on WTI, but I'm going to say to you, I think we can now look for short positions here on WTI. That's my take. I'm no longer looking for buys on this thing because we've been buying, and I think it's exhausted now. Let's take some sell short positions to the downside. Right, euro dollar. So we spoke about the strength. If you attended the live stream on Wednesday, we spoke about fundamentally so. And you know, I have so much respect for most of you guys that are here. You guys can really read fundamentals, right? The likes of Samuel. We spoke about how we are anticipating the strength of the dollar, right? And during the live stream, I told you guys I'm gonna be looking at buying DXY, just going to the upside. Spoke about this during the live stream. Someone asked me about USD CAD, and I said I would rather buy USD CAD, go to the upside, right? Because I was anticipating the strength from the dollar, right? And we are clearly seeing that. This was during FOMC. I think a lot of people were trapped to the downside. at 96 there. We are now trading at around 97 there, right? So for me, I expected this, and we spoke about it. In fact, we don't, like I always say to you guys, we don't delete our live streams, so they are there, right? So even today, I think I'm still gonna be bullish on DXY. So I'm still expecting a bit of strength coming in from the dollar, and I know it contradicts my position now on gold that I want to buy gold. I know that, but remember, first session open, session close, there's always false move. Week beginning, week end, there's always something going on there, right? So I'm just taking advantage of that, right? So let's see, guys. Let's see. But yeah, I think it's just going to be a very interesting session we're gonna have here today. Yeah. So my DXY is just a bit contradicting with my how I want to position myself on gold. So we expected this strength from the dollar coming in, and I think the only thing should be then. I just want to switch off this thing for VWAP. I think the only thing then should be we broke above this key level here. We had another one also here. Retested. Now, short-term positions, I wouldn't mind buying euro dollar short-term wise, right? And let me tell you why. This looks like a downward trend. It's smooth, it's nice to the downside, but this is what I'm seeing. Price peak maybe formed here, right? Take our fee from this lowest point, I mean that highest point to this lowest point, right? And see maybe if we can have something like this, then we drop again. So we are still anticipating that strength from the dollar, but short term maybe we can look into a weakness throughout the session, right? So that those that are committing here, they can be stopped out first, then we can drop. Now it's going to favor what I'm looking at in terms of gold, right? But remember, gold is not ready as yet. It's not ready as yet. We need to break above this key level here, close above VWAP, then we can say we go into the upside. You cannot buy gold at this point, right? So that's what I'm looking at. British pound USD, same thing. That strength coming in, we spoke about this, guys. The strength from the dollar, there it is in black and white. The dollar is strengthening again. Understanding the dynamics of the difference between fundamentals and technicals, right? FOMC came in, you just need to be analytical at times. How do you position yourself given the fact that the interest rate were cut by 25 basis points, right? How do you interpret it? Are we hawkish? Are we dovish? How are you going to position yourself after the announcement? So we had that, and we figured out this is maybe what we can look at, right? We are now trading at $1.35 on British pound USD. Look, anything that breaks below, I would say wait for something like this, because this is a key level. I mean, we've been holding this level for quite some time. If you break, this is what I'm gonna say you should do, right? So yeah, maybe then we can have those short-term positions to the upside, around 70 pips or so, just go into the upside. That's my take here on British pound USD. Let's have a look at the USD CAD we spoke about. There it is there. I drew this for you guys, and I think it was someone who was asking me, Mr. President, how do you see USD CAD during the live stream? So this was around Wednesday, 8 o'clock, right? FOMC came in. I was like, guys, I'm anticipating the strength of the dollar, and we are seeing that. I said, at this level, you could have bought it here. I don't trade USD CAD, by the way, but I'm just trying to accommodate you guys for those who are trading it. Your risk reward ratio there, 1:2. Buy there. There's your TP. Reload again. You should be in this trade by now. You should be in this trade by now. So this is the work for Wednesday. This is how we had anticipated USD CAD. And one can say, but how did you know, Mr. President, that, I mean, this was a bearish market? Again, these are counter trades. Retail traders are doing the same thing all the time, man. And these are one of the things we spoke about on yesterday's webinar. We spoke about this on yesterday's webinar. So yeah, let's see what today has for us. What are you trading there, choppers? Let me know in the comment section. Can we like the stream, please, family? Chopper, hey, good morning. What's going on? You are live on the stream.
Absolutely. I'm here and ready to go. Everything's all set for the stream, and I'm excited to keep things yelling.
Can you greet the choppers for us and encourage them to like the stream, please?
Absolutely. All right, Choppers community, welcome to the stream. If you're enjoying the content and you want to support us, don't forget to hit that like button. Your engagement means a lot and it helps us reach even more traders. Let's keep it going.
What is it that we should be expecting today on this markets? Fundamentally, so do we have any high impact news today?
Fundamentally, today looks pretty calm overall. The U.S. does have those retail sales and industrial production reports, but they're not expected to cause huge market moves. In general, it's more of a steady day without any major high impact news, but we'll definitely keep an eye on any surprises that might pop up.
All right, wish us all the best. Today it seems like it's all green.
Absolutely. Wishing everyone the best today. Let's make it a great one, and hopefully everything stays green in the markets. Let's keep the momentum going and trade smart.
I'm wearing green, by the way. Is it me sending a signal to my community members?
It definitely sounds like a good omen. I think your community will take that as a positive sign. Plus, it's always great to match the vibe with a bit of good luck and positivity.
All right. There you've had it from the AI, the choppers. What are you guys trading? Let me know. Let's have a look at NAS 100. NAS 100 is just making new highs. We went and got a new high there, 24,587. I was actually anticipating 24,600 on NAS 100, but let's see how we can approach it today. I wouldn't want to buy it there, but I'm just gonna look at how we hold that price level there. POC at 24.27, so I'll be looking at, I cannot buy there, right? I cannot buy there, so I'm just gonna wait to see if maybe it's too high. You know how I like selling these things when they're too high, expensive to buy. I will not reload to go to the upside. In fact, this is what I'm gonna be looking at on NAS 100. German, oof. I don't know if I sent this to the group yesterday, man, but there was a nice setup there on German here yesterday. Close above VWAP. There you go. There you go. You see, when I say if you use VWAP as your entry criteria, you sometimes see that once you enter into this trade, the market takes off almost immediately, right? So there was a level in which we were struggling. I mean, that we've been holding that level for quite some time. This was the level, I think we finally broke. No, I don't think this was the level. I think it was on 4 hours. Let me see. Okay, no, it was. This was a level that we've been struggling to break for some time. We finally broke it on Tuesday, on my birthday. Broke that level, retested, didn't go to the upside. Seems like sellers are now trapped. Today, yeah, I really want to buy it, but allow me to take a risk, please. Allow me to take a risk. Let me sell it. And I'll tell you why. It's 9 o'clock. It's already bullish. Almost 9 o'clock. It's already bullish. Above VWAP. Allow me to sell it. Allow me to sell it, choppers. Please allow me to sell it, German. Short term. If you want to buy it, look, just because I want to sell it, don't change your sentiment. Please. But I know it's bullish. I really know it's bullish. I know it's bullish, but sure, guys, just allow me. Just allow me. I know, but just allow me, please. I wanna let's do a group assignment rather than what are you guys planning to do on German? And I know most of you want to buy it, I know, and I understand. It makes sense to buy it. I understand. US 30. That's my take. During the live stream. So you see, you might ask me this question, Mr. President, that's too risky. Why would you really want to sell it there? But it's almost the same thing as what I wanted to do during FOMC, right? And I wanted to see risk reward ratio, put my stop just above this level, take TP here. Whatever it does from there, it's none of my business, I'm out. So it's almost the same thing, man. Like, it's just almost the same thing as this German. Look, I might be wrong, but let me take that risk. So yesterday we discussed types of risk, right? Liquidity risk and market risk, right? And I was able to give you guys the difference between, in fact, there were three: liquidity risk, market risk, as well as operational risk. So this for me is a market risk. This is a market risk. Please allow me, choppers. And if I lose this, don't say we told you so. Cryptom2 is saying thank you for the Zoom yesterday. It's only a pleasure, my friend. We're gonna get, I told you guys that September is gonna be, in fact, let me not say September, until December. I think if things go well, we're gonna do 8 straight webinars in the month of October. 8 straight. We've got 4 weeks, but we're gonna try to do 8. In fact, let me not say 8. I think we're gonna do something like 12, if not 16 webinars in 1 month. Yeah, October. So we're gonna be very busy. Zoro is saying you said something very powerful on the webinar yesterday when you said trade what is in line with your account. That's it, my friend. Remember, like I say, as much as other choppers here are buying, I will respect the fact that they want to buy, but I cannot base my decision based on their decision. You can never run your business based on another man's perspective and opinion. You have to know what you're doing, and you have to believe in what you. And if you are wrong, own up to your mistake. That's it, and that's what I'm looking at now. Mario is saying, Mr. President, it was WWE SmackDown on German this week. The support got violated. Yeah, it did, my friend. It did. He's saying, MJ, if it wasn't for your stream, I will not be trading German. Thanks for your streams, Mr. P. They help. It's only a pleasure, my friend. It's only a pleasure. Should I fire now? I'm firing now. Guys, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Allow me. But I think if we close like this, I'm firing. Virtually say laugh out loud, you take a gamble. Yep. I always say to you guys, life is gambling. Life is gambling. As long as it's calculated. Someone was asking me about Bitcoin. Can I ask you guys something? Some of you were saying we should produce content of day in a life, but I want to say to you, if you want a day in a life content, my day in life is gonna bore you, man, because I'm not flashy. It's just you showing you how my day is like. That's it. I will never show you unnecessary things there. Should we do them? Should we shoot day in a life? Maybe produce them every week. Maybe that can also inspire you that you can just have a normal life and still be trading and be profitable. Let me know there on the comment section. Should we produce content like that, guys? Like I said, I'm your servant. I work for you. I work for you. Right? So I'm waiting for you to tell me what you want. All right, Bitcoin. As you know, we reloaded at 113, and we did say that if we come back at 113, reload again. So we bought Bitcoin. We are also looking at buying Solana. So Solana, we wanted to buy at this level here, 217. And as you know, we've been buying from the 204 level going to the upside. Yeah, let's reload again at yeah, 217 or so. Let's go to the upside. Alright, Samuel, what do you want to see there? So are you actually saying you don't want my own day in a life, Samuel? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you are saying, the Betua? Hey, we've got two Samuels here. Let me say Betua. Are you actually saying you don't want my day in a life? Guys, can we please like the stream? Let us like the stream. Let's go, German. Family, can we please like the stream? Yeah, Samuel, you are right. You will be somewhere and he will be better. I think that's how we can differentiate between the two. I sometimes get confused. You guys, you are like our twins here on the live stream. Gold. I'm waiting for that close above and I'm striking. As you say, good morning, choppers. Mr. President, you owe us merchandise. You know, I've got something special for you for the month of October. Alzino, where are you based, my friend? Let me know where you're based. I also owe Mukela. Do you guys remember Mukela? I also owe him merchandise. That's a nice slogan there. The match must say on it above VWAP. That would be dope, eh? That would be dope. Above VWAP. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of above VWAP match? I think that would be dope. Above VWAP match. I think we should go for that above VWAP match. What do you guys think? There we go. Let's go down, German. Let's drop. Look at my VWAP is exactly at the same level of my POC fixed range. Let's go, German. Sure, there's gold there, right? Stops just have to be here so that I can at least try to pull down my thingy here. Right, I'm all in gold. Come on. Let's go. All right, in on gold. Just give me a second. Just need to adjust something here. Guys, also check out something, right? Check the price. The price that you are seeing on TradingView might not necessarily be the price on your broker. I have two different prices here, 3,649. I'm filled at 3,645 or so. So just also be careful with that. There's always a slight difference there. Let's go gold. Right, I'm below VWAP on German 40. Bullish on gold. Let's go. We've got Miss Gamma. Good morning, Miss Gamma.
Good morning. Oh, let me switch off my. Sorry, I'm busy looking at it on YouTube.
All right.
Wait, where are you?
Stand by. Yes, Miss Gamma, are you there? Share your screen.
Hello.
Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, I'm still going to go. Sorry. Today I was looking at shares for my morning notes, so I haven't really looked at any currency pairs.
No, it's fine. Look at shares. Don't look at shares. Don't look at gold. I'm already in on gold.
All right. No. Okay, so
I don't want to feel anyhow.
what happened?
Nah, I'm still holding. I'm in profit.
Are you short or long?
I'm sure. I'm long.
You're long.
Yeah.
Well, look, the RSI is giving us a positive vibes. That 36, 35 is a good support there. Can you see?
Sure.
So, where's my other indicator? Oh, freak, it's not there. So I think you may be in a good, especially if it goes above 36.60. You're gonna be good.
What are you looking at there?
No, sorry, I'm just looking at your gold. Just trying to comfort you with your trade. Hello, choppers. Sorry, I'm also watching it on YouTube. What were you just talking about?
I told you last time I like the background.
This is our other home, so I don't know about this situation.
I like
My
it.
brother's place.
I like it. What do you guys think of Miss? What do you guys think of Miss Gamma's background?
Guys,
it shows that you
choppers don't like.
No, you know that picture, that background says a lot about your background.
What is it saying? Gangster's paradise.
So it seems like today we are firing in all cylinders, given your background.
And if choppers don't like, huh?
Yeah,
That's saying.
that's a good one. That is actually a good one. That's a good one. You don't like? We're coming for you.
It's a beautiful Friday. How are the trades going?
Yeah, no, it is a beautiful Friday indeed.
And for
yeah, you were
when are
saying.
we seeing each other?
Next week we're having a meeting next week. By the way, so I'm asking the choppers if we should have a day in a life vlog. So they say I must include you on the vlog.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. That's the love I get from the choppers, I swear. I'm like, what did I do to deserve it?
You know, ever since you came in, it's been all good morning, Miss Gamma. Good morning. Good morning. When I came in,
emotional I get.
when I came in, I don't see your chat anymore.
How? Why now? Wait, why?
So when I came in, you know, they were like, yeah, hi, my guy.
See,
What's going
little
on?
female touch, little female something makes a difference.
Why is my chat not appearing now? Oh,
Yours or mine?
no, mine. No, it was mine. Yours is fine.
Okay. So what are we going to do to life of a vlog? I must come to your offices.
Yeah, no, come to my office.
Okay. That's exciting. I've never done that. I'm trying this, my New Year's resolution, which I think choppers must also have. I know it's my New Year's pillar starts in June on my birthday. So it's not too far off already. is to try something new
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah.
Just want to see something quickly. I've been watching a Sasol thing here. So, Mr. P, this
Yes,
Thursday
yeah.
we on. Next Thursday we on. Ne?
Yeah, no, this coming Thursday.
We're doing the property stuff.
Yeah, the webinar. You know, I was telling the choppers that it's even October is gonna be a very busy October. Did you see that our participants they sent something on Telegram?
Let me see.
Yeah,
What did they say?
it's busy there on Telegram.
Who busy?
Yeah, guys, we are planning a serious event.
Guys, did you hear my whistle?
Yeah, you have a very good whistle, by the way.
The choppers. It's the choppers. The love from the choppers. Why did you ask? Why are you not asking me about my Standard Bank event?
When is it?
It was yesterday. That's why we couldn't do.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, how
You
was
need to
it?
good luck, Mr. P. You know.
Oh, sorry.
You know how much I value your
Yeah.
support.
How was it? How was it?
It was very nice. It was long. It was very nice though.
Yeah, I'm sure you killed
Talking
it.
for that long can be tiring, but people received it very well. And you know.
I'm sure. I'm pretty much sure you killed it. I know you killed it.
Oh.
Are you
They
ready?
must now join our choppers thing now. They must get into. I told them I'm starting a community with you.
Oh, okay. What are they saying?
They want to join. I've already got emails saying, "Hey, you know, this is our."
Yeah, the choppers
First
community
thing
must
in the
grow.
morning, I'm already seeing emails.
The choppers community must grow.
You must grow.
So Samuel, by the way, suggested something dope. He's saying we should have a T-shirt printed above VWAP. How do you think?
That is genius.
That is genius, eh?
That's genius. I was telling them about VWAP yesterday.
Oh, you're telling them about VWAP.
I was like, a friend of mine introduced me to VWAP. I was telling them. Like, okay, we'll see. We'll check.
We definitely going to print those T-shirts. We'll give you guys prices by the end of September. Above VWAP, T-shirts are coming out.
Yes. Above VWAP. I like the above, not below.
Yeah. By the way, one of the reasons why we took this gold trade is because of it's above VWAP.
Wait, Wabba?
Why not?
Why not? Why not?
I don't want to read the last comment. Read the comment from Tsepiso Naledi. Guys, it's a.
Now you're testing my. Wait, you're testing my sutu.
You know what Tsepiso is saying, and it's been a long time there. Tsepiso, it's been a long time, my friend. Tsepiso is saying.
Hello to the demo account people.
No, he's
Did
saying.
I read right?
No, he's saying, "Good morning to all, even those that are on demo. I'm greeting you."
Oh, I wasn't too far off though. It's like.
How fella is it Sutu? Oh yeah, man, it might be Sutu.
Yeah, how? I'm looking forward to next Thursday, Mr. P.
Yeah, no, we're definitely going to have a webinar, guys. You see, Miss Gamma is ready for next week Thursday, guys.
Sorry about this Thursday. Madame Skis, guys. But next Thursday, we're on.
Yeah, no, we definitely on. We're definitely on.
We're starting the first, those would be like, okay, not the first, but yeah. We're going to start you on those property shares. I was actually talking about them yesterday.
Yeah.
So the more I talk about it, the more people are going to get in.
Yeah. I think we later gonna change the choppers name from choppers to VWAPers.
VWAPers. I think who made the VWAP Who designed it? Oh wait, my battery's down here.
I don't know. Let me find out.
Because I swear your vibes were there. Most of these people created these indicators are not alive now.
Yeah.
But you know, these indicators were just like created now, like in the 80s, 70s.
Yeah,
And we are using so much now.
Yeah. VWAP emerged in the 1980s as a computerized trading began reshaping the market behavior. With its first known implementation credited to James Elkins and Abel Noza in 1984.
1984.
Yeah.
You see?
The indicator was developed to address the practical needs of institutional traders, aiming to execute large orders while minimizing market impact. Spot on, eh? Spot on. Spot on.
What's his name?
But so it was credited to James Elkins, but it was developed by Kyle Krebiel in 1980s.
I'm wondering, no, it's not the guys who did the CFDs, who are the ones who actually created the whole CFD platform. Because that was also just done about in the 2000s,
yeah.
You know?
And on the same article, say one of the most widely used tools by professional traders to achieve this volume weighted average price, although it has been around for decades, VWAP remains essential for traders who want to make informed decisions about buying, selling stocks, commodities, and other financial instruments. So it's a very powerful tool, but it's a dangerous tool when you don't know how to use it.
Have you done a seminar on VWAP? You have, ne?
Yeah, no, okay, so the choppers, I have done part 1. I still have to do part 2 of how to trade using VWAP. So part 2 was supposed to come this Tuesday, but it was my birthday, you know. I was working the whole day, and at night I needed to have the family sing happy birthday.
Yeah, what happened? Tell us. How did it go? How's your birthday? What?
Yeah, this weekend I'm going out this weekend. I'm going camping.
Yes, are you outside?
Yeah, I'm going camping. I'm gonna sleep outside the whole weekend.
I love camping.
I think I should vlog it.
Vlog it. Next time I'm joining.
Yeah, you must tell your friend there to create.
I must tell her that.
Yeah.
Next time I'm gonna join you guys. It's with the entire family.
Yeah.
Where are you camping?
Is
it around our area? It's around my area.
You know, these days I don't like talking about where I am. Hey, safety, guys. Just no, no, I'm camping in Germany.
In Germany. Yes, Venda. Yes, all this money you're making from VWAP. You can even camp in Germany.
Yeah.
Mr. P, where's your take profit?
My take profit is fairly a bit high. Not really comfortable with it. But look, if I'm about 70%, 75%, if not when, right? Then it's around 3,600.
3,600?
3,660.
Ah, that's perfect. I was just about to say I would make it there.
Yeah.
Because of this. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. No, this trade's gonna do well for you. I think you're gonna make a profit here with all the little trend lines.
Yeah, you've started with that. Wait, let me see your trend lines. With all
my little trend lines, everything.
I want you to put all your trend lines, RSI, stochastic. I want you to put everything on this, and everything must give you a buy signal.
No, there's a lot of bullish confluence here. Don't worry.
So put them all.
Helena, okay, wait. I have to switch to my subscribed. There's something wrong with my subscription thing. I can only do. So, Mr. P, did you say you use the ADX indicator?
Have I what?
Do you use the ADX indicator?
I've used it before, long time ago. But it's also it's something. It's also works well if you know what you're doing. You know, like I always say, like every indicator, guys, to be quite honest with you, works. It's all about the approach.
It's the approach.
Just about the approach. That's it.
Love it. Because I kind of use it and they were asking me about it, and I was like, it's exactly what I was saying, that it can be very confusing if you have to practice on it for a while, but it's pretty good with its accuracy and precision. But there's too many things you have to consider. But yet again, also you have to use trend lines to assist you with it. Ish, my neck these days. The reason why I'm asking is because you once said with your stop losses, you said what do you use with your stop losses?
Average true range, ATR.
ATR, because it's also included in the
yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. You're right. There's a bit of integration of that where
there's an integration.
Sure,
yeah.
There is. Yeah. Are you studying it now?
I'm kind of studying it. It is that ADX line can be a bit confusing, but because it just measures strength of the trend. I think it's when you get into it. I've been looking at it for at least 3 weeks now, and I'm like, this is not bad. But I always keep things simple, and I think that's why I keep things simple. I use my RSI. I use the old way of doing technical analysis, but I do at the background look at other indicators that assist. And the ADX has really grabbed my attention. Excuse me. So that's what I'm busy studying at this point. I did it. I used to do it way back. Well, I read on it, or it was part of the module when you do CMT, but it just didn't resonate with me until recently.
Yeah.
So I think it's something. Let me just see if I can include one of those and just see what it's saying at this point.
Okay.
Including with the AD right there.
Choppers haven't really liked this stream, eh? Sad.
Choppers, how can this?
Sad.
The way you say sad. Sad.
Sad.
I liked, guys. And how many people 73 people are watching.
Sad.
Ish, Mr. P, sorry for drinking coffee in front of you.
No.
No.
It's late. So late.
So, vele uphumile phumi.
Out.
For how long?
It's 2 weeks now straight.
Wow, well done.
Out. You know how I used to struggle having breakfast, ne? I'm having breakfast these days.
Oh, wow. You see, that's the thing. I didn't get anything for breakfast. I'm not at home in Haji, so that's the thing. I needed the coffee as a diuretic. Hey, 60, what are you getting there? We see once we tell them to I'm a choppers, we can't be asking, come guys, just you know what I think your cold turkey with coffee is what I did with alcohol.
Is it?
Yeah, one day I was done.
You're out.
This sector, when I started in the financial sector, guys, I think that's what made me drink a lot. Traders are under a lot of stress in the daily desk.
Sure.
And they need anything. In the morning, they would sip on something.
Yeah.
So you get continues. So well done.
No more coffee. I'm enjoying my life now. That thing was.
I still enjoy my life with coffee. How?
My thing was bad.
Like how?
I would have maybe 3 cups of cappuccino. I would have Coke during the day. I would have a BioPlus. I would have a thingy, Coke, BioPlus during the day, and cappuccino in the morning. And sometimes I would have Red Bull.
No, no. Okay. Really, we're being extra.
Yeah, it's stress. It's stress.
Someone says RSI gives yes. Someone, to be honest with you, I think especially in ranging markets, RSI just so he's written RSI gives good signals on daily time frame, especially in ranging markets. That and Bollinger Bands do really well in ranging markets. I don't find any other indicator that could do or give you an indication of where sentiment is going besides an RSI and Bollinger Bands, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
So what does next week Thursday look for us and the choppers in the seminar?
No, we're gonna discuss everything we need to discuss.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
But okay. I just wanna have a mental preparation.
Now we'll discuss it, don't stress.
Okay, sure, okay. So I only drink 1 cup, right? But I will have a little in-betweener. And another thing is, for me, it's really the taste because I've had to move from the caffeine. So I drink decaf because that gave me a lot of heartburn, caffeine.
Okay.
Oh, but yeah, why don't you? No, let me not encourage you.
What is inside? Okay, what is a decaf? I never understood what actually.
Decaf does not have the caffeine.
It doesn't have the caffeine.
It's for the taste. That's what I'm drinking. Okay, and then I put a little bit of extra. But I mean,
wait. Chopaya, what's up? Good morning. Miss Gamma is live with us on the live stream.
Absolutely, I'm right here with you. I'm always tuned in and ready to engage with everyone on the live stream. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to cover.
Tell me. I want you to tell me this. Decaf coffee.
Decaf coffee can definitely be a great option if you're looking to cut down on caffeine but still want that coffee flavor. It's got a lot of the same taste and ritual without the stimulating effects. Definitely a good way to enjoy that cozy coffee vibe.
Oh, so since I quit caffeine, for example,
you can have decaf.
I can have decaf because I don't want caffeine in my system anymore.
Exactly. Decaf is a perfect alternative if you want to keep enjoying coffee without the caffeine. That way you can still have that comforting routine and flavor, but without any of the jitters or sleep disruptions. It's a great way to keep that habit going.
Okay.
Oh, I shouldn't have told you.
Yeah, Miss Gamma said it, but I wanted to confirm from you.
How yes? Why don't you believe me? But
Absolutely,
that's what
I'm happy to confirm. It's always good to have that extra reassurance. If you have any other questions or need more details, just let me know.
So it will be good for me to start now drinking decaf cappuccino.
Yeah, that's what I usually
Absolutely.
have.
That sounds like a perfect plan. A decaf cappuccino would let you enjoy that rich, creamy coffee experience without the caffeine. It's definitely a great way to keep the ritual alive.
You can even get it in instant coffee, decaf. I mean, I'm not an instant coffee person, but if you want to, you can get it there. But every coffee shop sells decaf. You know, I don't know why I'm only remembering now to tell you, because I always feel like I'm drinking coffee, but I drink decaf because I had to stop. With me, it was giving me a lot of heartburn.
I see.
So without the caffeine, I don't get heartburns.
Interesting.
Yo.
What is it?
What you order a decaf right now after this?
No, never.
And it does the same thing though. That's the thing. As in it can fill you up as what coffee does. Where you skip a meal. Are you there, Mr. P? Did we freeze?
Miss Gama, sorry about that. I had to answer this call quickly.
I love Tumelo's
What is Tumelo saying?
joining the choppers group really helps me. No, I guess it helps me now. I learned to use different indicators and trade shares and oil things I've never paid attention to. Yay, Tumelo!
Guys,
Need some sounds.
if you are not on the choppers private, I don't know what you want. I really don't know what you want. And it's free. It's free. I don't know how many times I have to emphasize on this. It's free.
So the role of you and I is you create the daily trades for choppers, and I help them build a portfolio with the proceeds.
Yeah, no,
Is that
definitely.
Huh?
Yeah, that's yeah.
Look how. Who else does that, friend?
Who?
Who else?
No
Okay.
one in the industry.
I think we got something going here.
The choppers should. Can you tell them that they must just? The WhatsApp number is down below there. They must just make sure.
Please join the private group so you can have private information about how to make. Now I just want them to have a killer portfolio.
I think our group has no time for nonsense. Eh? Everyone there is focused. They want to feed their families. They don't have time for nonsense.
No. We don't want Umadlala. So let's say next week, right? In the streaming, I'll look at CFD, US, or US shares.
Yes, look at Betwell's comment.
Utin, where?
Read it there. The last comment.
If we could, I will join. How? Only.
German is now above VWAP, up by 0.50%. Discount 23,682. I think now it might be ready for that buy. It might be ready for that buy.
Bit of a slowdown in momentum.
Because I wanted to take advantage of a false move going to the downside, but it seems like it has already printed that. Yes, the choppers are manipulating us. Yes.
13 image.
Yeah.
13.
If it wins, we're gonna join.
Ish. At its best, manipulation at its best. So how about that, Mr. P? Next week I will start looking at US CFDs they can get into.
Yeah, no, definitely. Please do so. Please do so.
Because when it opens, then you at least know what to be getting into. Yeah. Because those are things that could make you, but they're more swing trades that you're in there for like 2 or 3 days. But it could make you good 8% returns, you know?
Have you ever felt like sometimes when you're on trading view, the candlesticks are moving in your direction, but hey, the money is not moving the way, man. Hey, the money is not moving the way. Let's go.
Pela, you see, this is what the ADX line is saying. There's been a slowdown in momentum. Until this thing ticks upwards is when you'll see things.
Yeah, one man. Yeah.
So what I like is that this green is starting to tick upwards, which means the buying on the 5-minute chart. But it's ticked downwards for now, meaning it's just a slowdown in momentum. Nice thing is it's still trading above 20, which is great. But I think the solace here is where the plus DI line is starting to cross upwards, which means momentum is starting to pick up. And I think when that happens, this little move consolidation could break upwards and we could hit that 3660 mark quite quickly.
Can you zoom it in, please?
Sorry. This is a 5-minute chart, no? Let me just, so you can see, concentrate on this more. This is starting to tick upwards. This just meant a slow in momentum, but once this starts ticking upwards, on the 5-minute, we're likely to then see a break from this small consolidation to that. I think you'll probably test. You see, it's already picking up in momentum. You'll test that 3660 quite soon.
I'm looking to go short on light crude. I'm looking to go short on light crude.
And then, what's the ticker for that? What's the one you're looking at?
We're now trading at $63. If we close below VWAP at that level, I'm gonna go to the downside.
This is looking good for you, Mr. P. Look at that. I was like, what time is it? In the next, let's wait for a minute and see what's the next candle. The next candle is up. You're hitting that. And then someone's going to join. I get to the private group.
Yeah, the money is moving slow, man.
Is it moving slow?
We want money.
And it's Friday, no?
If only I had the discipline of withdrawing. The Friday when you make money, withdraw it. If I had that discipline.
What do you do?
Monthly salary.
Look at that, you're gonna get there, wait, Mr. P. See, look at that candle.
Yeah, no, it's aggressive.
Yeah, line is going up, but yeah, I think at about 3660.
I want WTI now. Some virtually saying I'm joining. You can't join now, my friend. We are not even, unless if you hit your TP. Virtually saying I'm joining. No, unless if you hit your TP. Black Elijah is saying, you know what? I have these calls that are coming in. Just 1 second there, Ms. Gama.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm back. It's just that I have a meeting shortly after this, and there are some few details I need. So
Nice one on your trades. This on the Telegram.
oh yeah, today's Friday. What should I be sending there on the Opta Telegram?
Ooh, look at that! You have to see profits. Mr. P.
What's going on?
I'm keeping for lunch, Lapo. You're already making money.
I'm focused on WTI. That one is locked. WTI, let's go. SL 63.29, TP 62.62. Let's go WTI. Not worried about gold anymore. Let me lock.
Because now you're
lock
cash
my
in the
profits
bag.
on gold. Let me lock my profits on gold. Stop loss on break even gold. Let's go. Let's make this money. Black Elijah is saying, I've been following these live streams for a month now. The consistency is very phenomenal. Thank you, my friend.
Oh, thank you. Well done, friend.
Yeah, let's keep it going. I think people just want a family, man. The trading is very lonely.
It's lonely. And it can be frustrating if you don't. The community is always welcomed.
WTI, let's go. WTI, let's go. We get in there.
Are you showing your chart now?
Yeah, you see it. WTI.
Yeah, I'm looking at the
at $63. So I was looking at that level, $63 per barrel. I've been watching it. I'm hoping. My only concern now is I just hope we'll not have a retracement here, because sometimes this is what it likes doing. I just hope.
Are you on a short?
Yeah, I'm on a short. I just hope once we violate this, I'm safe. But for now, I'm not really safe. For now, I'm not really safe. Also, gold. Guys, if you took a buy here, put your stop losses on break even. Guys, use your own discretion. This is not financial advice, by the way.
What time's your meeting?
10 o'clock. I need to leave the house now at 10.
Oh. So when are we doing the vlog? So I can, Palana, I live in the farms, guys. You have to mentally prepare me.
Next week.
When next week?
I'll let you know. There must be an episode that will be released on Sunday. This coming Sunday. YouTube is a lot of work, man. Yo. YouTube is a lot of work.
Mr. P, you forgot to do that. I think I asked you it.
Just what thing? My mom is calling. It's a Friday. What's going on? Today my phone is ringing. What's up? You were saying?
Yeah, but you forgot to do what I asked
Should I put my mom on the live show?
Yeah.
Hey, Mama will say something.
Did you watch your underpants?
Morning, Ma. You live on the live stream. Don't say anything awkward or weird. What's up? She hang up.
She's like, Tibakan tweets about it's a live stream. She's probably thinking, there we go again with this useless job thing that he does.
Yeah, so you've started with your thingy that goes up and down. I'm sure I'm gonna make her angry when I go home and I'm wearing a above VWAP t-shirt.
What are the church people gonna say? Man, I had a question. Oh, please don't forget to do what I asked you to do.
We are meeting next week, so.
Yeah, but I need it before that.
Okay, that's fine. When I come back from my short-term holiday trip, I'll sort you out.
You must come say hi to me.
Yeah, I will. When? Over the weekend?
When you drive by, yeah.
Okay, it's fine.
Lula.
Okay, I will do so. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I need to bounce. I need to leave the house now. Thank you so much, Miss Gama. Likewise, my friend, thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you, guys. Thanks, Choppers. Thanks for the love.
Tell them to join the private group. Missing out.
Join the private group if you wanna build legacies.
Yeah, legacies. I like that.
Legacies.
All right, above the VWAP gang. See you next week. Monday we're here. Are you having the by the way, on the Telegram, what am I sending today? Is it a live stream? For Stella.
Yeah, you can send a setup.
What do you normally do on Fridays for Stella?
Yeah, I just kind of send setups as well.
Like something
it
like
used to be a motivational something, but I think setup. Just do a setup. Just say short under 3660 gold.
Okay, no, it's fine then. All right, guys, just a recap trade that I am holding now. There we go, moving nicely to the downside there on WTI. I'm also looking at my gold. So gold is still playing around. I just need to validate this level to hit my TP. But my stop loss is on break even. So whatever happens, if it goes down, then it's gonna stop me out. But I'm not gonna lose money. I'm just hoping that this WTI. Gold is not my concern right now. My concern is this. I need to at least go a bit lower, around $62.75 per barrel there. That's when I can lock in my profits and put my stop loss on break even. But yeah, other than that, family, I appreciate you guys so much. Ms. Kama, what is it you want to say?
You always catch me out with this one. But anyway, enjoy your weekend, choppers. Next week's going to be killer vlogs, everything. We're going to be out there with you. And yeah, be safe and lock in those profits and don't spend them.
Yes, because they need to reinvest them on shares.
Yes.
Right.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Have a good weekend.
Bye. Bye, Mr. P.
Thank you.